Okay, let's see. What are some non-violent squishy dares that I can do? Put a squishy in a blender? Rip your favorite squishy in half? Flush a squishy down the toilet?
Are you gonna hurt us?
No, I would never do that. I will only love you, and I will never do anything to hurt you.
But you threw us in the trash.
Yeah, but that was just a joke. I even put a box in the trash can, and I cleaned the trash can to make sure that you wouldn't get dirty.
Whatever.
You know what? To make it up to you guys, I'm going to treat you guys today, and we're only going to do nice things. No bad things at all, okay?
Okay.
Okay. My dear sweet Pop-Pop, you are a shining light of plumpness and beauty. So that's it for my very first Squishy Dares. I hope you guys liked it. I had so much fun filming it. Don't forget to check out my shirts if you're interested. I'll put the link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.